So good afternoon friends, I Rakeshan from Gyanware University. Today I am going to teach you how to perform the practical of addition of two 16-bit number in 8085 simulator. First of all, how to design the program. 16-bit number means if there are 16 bits. Let's suppose we will write down the program in assembly language, because 8085 microprocessor works in assembly language. Let my first data is 2801 in hexadecimal. Okay, why we say it is a 16 bit? Because 2 is what, 0010, 8 is what, 1000, then 0 is what, 0000, and then 1 is what, 0001. Okay, I separate it. Okay, 0 0 0 1 0, that is 2, then 8 1 0 0 and 0. Okay, then 0, so 4 times 0 0 0 0 and 0, then 1, so 0 0 0 and then 1. Okay, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So there are total 16 bit. There are total 16 bit. So this is a 16 bit data. Now we have to add with another data. Let's suppose the digit is 0978, 0978. Any data we can take, any 16 bit data. So what is 0? 0 is 0 0 0 0. Then 9 is what, as you know, 1 4 0 0 and then 1. Then what is 7? 0 1 1 1 is 7. Then 8 is what, 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this is 16 bit data, 16 bit data bits. Okay, now we are going to write down the assembly language program to add these two numbers. So first of all, we see that what will be my result. If I add with the binary addition, I know 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry. So on the basis of that knowledge, I just see first of all 1 plus 0, so that will be equal to 1, then 0 plus 0, that will be equal to 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, then 0 plus 0 again, so it will be again 0, then 0 plus 1, that will be 1, and then again 0 plus 1, that will be 1. See this one. Okay, now see again 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 1 is there, so 1 and then 1 again. Then see 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 0. So we can directly write down that 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 and then 0. Okay. Then see 1 plus 1 is there. So 1 plus 1 is what? 0 with carry, 0 with carry. So the carry will be transferred here. Carry will be transferred here. So now this will becomes 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1. Okay, then 1 and then 2 zeros. Okay, so this will be my result. Now what is this data? So consider 4 group and see in hexadecimal what is the meaning of these numbers. So when I add these two 16 bits, my result should be 3 1 7 9, 3 1 7 9. Okay, so this will be my result in hexadecimal. Okay, so I understand how to, what will be my result if I take these 16 bits. Now how to do the practical, how to do the programming in microprocessor. Now as we know that any data in case of microprocessor must be loaded into a address. The data is of 8 bit, but here the data is of 16 bit. There are two data, one is 2801, one is 0978, and both are of 16 bit. So at that time when the data is more than 8 bit, 16 bit for example, then that data must be split into two 8 bit parts and stored on consecutive memory location. Consecutive means one memory location, then just the next memory location. So let's suppose at the starting memory location I store at 8000 memory location as the data 01. Okay, then one memory location, the data must be uploaded as yes, okay, then the data must be uploaded as 28. Okay, then 8002, the data must be uploaded at 0978. So first we upload 78. First the LSB will be uploaded, then the MSB. Remember this thing. Then the data will be 09. Okay, now we will store this data in consecutive memory location. To store this data in consecutive memory location, there is an instruction: load the HL pair LHLD address. And what is the starting address? Starting address is 8000. So what is the meaning of this instruction? It will first store the content of two consecutive memory location. Start from 8000. Load the HL pair with the data of two consecutive memory location. Start from 8000. Once again, the instruction two memory location, in which first memory location is just the same address which you type after LHLD. So here I type LHLD 8000 as a address. It means load the HL pair with the data of 8000 and just next address data, means 8001 data. So how it will be uploaded? First the L register will be loaded, then the H register will be uploaded. Okay, so what is the L register content? L register content is the content of 8000 address. What is the content of 8000 address? 01. Okay, now what is the content of H register? Just next consecutive memory location after 8000 is 8001. So what is the content? That is 28. So H will be 28. Okay, then I write down an instruction exchange, XCHG. What is the meaning of exchange? The exchange instruction actually exchange the content of HL with the content of D register pair. Yes, the content of HL register pair and the content of D register pair will be exchanged completely. Exchange means whatever inside D, that will be going to HL, and whatever inside HL, that will be going to D, such that the L will be transferred to L and E transformation occurs, and H and D transformation occurs. So now here when I write down exchange, I know what is in H, H is 28, what is in L, L is 01, but I don't know what is in D, what is in E. So let's suppose any garbage value in D. So let's suppose a garbage value, anything, any garbage value, I don't know what is inside this, and what is inside E, I don't know. Let's suppose E garbage value is 2 stars. Okay, I don't know what is the value, and let's suppose E garbage value is 3 stars. Okay, any value 2, 3, 4, 5, 38, 34, we don't know. So when I write down exchange, then what will happen? Now the D will be exchanged by H. So now the D will be equal to 28, and now the E will be equal to E is transferred from L. L is 0 1. So now D and E is there. But what is now HL? Now what is HL? Now HL will be filled by the garbage value. HL will be transferred from by the garbage value, because so H contains the content of D, so double star. And what is the content of L? Any garbage value. So here I mention E as 3 star, so now the 3 star will be transferred into L. Okay, now once again I write down LHLD, and where is the next data? The next data at 2 consecutive memory location is 8002. 8002. Now see very carefully, when you write down this step LHLD 8002, now what will happen? Again the H and L will hold the data of 8002 and 8003, 2 consecutive memory location. So what is the content of 8? First the data of L will be loaded. First the data in L will be loaded. So L will be loaded by 8002. What is 8002? 8002 is 78. Okay, I write down in the same form. This is a, now see, first the L will be loaded, then the H will be loaded. Okay, so L will be loaded by the LSB, that is 78, and H will be loaded by the 8003 data, that is 09. Okay, so now these hexadecimal numbers uploaded into L and H. Now the next instruction is DAD-D. DAD-D. Now what is the meaning of this DAD-D instruction? The DAD-D instruction add the content of the DAD-D instruction add the content of H and D, and the result will be stored in H. Similarly, the L register add with E register, and the result will be stored in L. Okay, so the result of this addition. So what is the meaning? Now what we did here, see, we add 01 with 78 na, 01 with 78. Where is 01? 01 is in E, 78 is where? L. So I have to add E with L. Similarly here automatically L will be added with E if I write down DAD-D. Again, during the time of addition I add 28 with 09 na. See, 09 is just 09 is just below the 28. It means I add these two. So where is the 28? 28 is in D. And where is the 09? 09 is in H. It means I add D with H. So here automatically by write down DAD-D instruction, both of these can be achieved easily. So DAD-D, it means my result will be in H and L. Now what I want to check the results. So there is a instruction SHLD. Now when I write down this instruction SHLD, it means SHLD address. So where you want to store the result? Store at 9000. So what is the meaning of this instruction SHLD 9000? It means the result after this addition will move into 2 memory location starting from 9000 and 9001. Store the content of the result of this addition, that is in HL pair. So store the HL pair. S means store, HL means HL pair. Store the content of HL pair into 2 consecutive memory locations start from 9000. So consecutive memory location means 1, then next memory location 9000 and 9001. Content of HL is what? H is the content of after the addition H plus D. So what is the content? That is 31. So 9000 will load the 31 result. And what is 9001? Now 1001 will be 79, and then the end of the program. So that's all about the programming of this 16-bit addition of 2 numbers. Okay. Now how we can do this programming on a microprocessor kit? Now how we can do the programming in microprocessor kit? Let me shift this over. बेटा आपको थोड़ा बहुत, हाँ, yes, okay, after this, Okay, now see what we have to do. You just take the images whatever I do. Okay, let's suppose I first of all I have to upload the data. So I upload at 8000 memory location to 8003 the same data whenever I will work on simulator. Okay, then from any memory location I start my work. Let's suppose I start my work from okay 9000. No, let's suppose I start my work from 8015 or 8000. Okay, any memory location you can choose. Let's suppose I start my work from 8015. Okay, then what I have to do, LHLD code, the load LHLD code you should see in opcode table, that is 2A. Okay, at 2015 you must write down 2A. Then at next memory location you must write down about what is the next. Then 8016 memory location you should write down about the address LHLD, then address is 8000. So first you write down 00, then at next memory location you should write down 80. Okay, then at next memory location you should write down about exchange. Exchange is what? The hex code of exchange is EB, so you write down EB. Then at next memory location, the next memory location can easily be generated by the simulator automatically. 8015, then 16, okay, then 17, then 18, then so on. EB. Then at the next memory location you should write down once again for LHLD, so that is 2A. Then at next memory location you should write down for 8002, so first 02, then 80, then 80. That the hex code is 90. Okay, then the next memory location is, then at the next memory location the hex code for the SHLD is 22. Then the address 9000, so first the 00, then 90. Okay, at last memory location the instruction for AND, that is 76. Okay. So this will be your coding. Okay, so just take a image of this one so that you kind of it. I just save this file. Today is 25 January 2021. Okay, so now we will go to upload the program. Okay, so now I am going to show you the program. Kindly take a snapshot, so when I will upload on simulator you will see this continuously. So kindly take a snapshot. Okay, now when we will check the program we will find that our result will be correct. Okay, now I am going to start the program. So instead of this MS Paint file I am now showing you the simulator. Now are you able to see this simulator? Are you able to see this simulator? Yes. So remember once again, because it's shown in front of you like blackish image of the buttons. So I first of all I am telling you the buttons name once again. This one is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. At the right hand side this topmost is the reset, this bottommost is the go, this one is for execute, and this top second one from the right column is examine memory or new memory. Okay, only 4 buttons will be in use. This topmost is reset, this one is new memory, this one is of go, and this one is of execute. Okay, now how to do the program? Now see very carefully. First of all, reset, then new memory location. From which memory location I have to load the data? I have to load the data from 8000. So 8000. Okay, we can change the data also, we can change the complete program also. Okay, let's suppose instead of that 9000 and 8000, if what we do, kindly once again see the program so that you will understand the basic program. Kindly once again see the MS Paint file so you will understand. Right, this was my program. Okay, what happen if I remove this? Instead of this 8000, can I change the memory location? Yes, you can change any memory location. Let I start from 9000. Let I start from 9000, then 9000, and this is my 9002. Only 10 minutes more, then you will understand the complete program result on software 9002. Okay, then I have to change the result location also. This is also correct, and if I do this one, then also correct, no problem. Let's suppose I wish to check the result from 8000. Okay, then what will happen? At this time your result will be in 1000 and 8001 instead of 9000 and 9001. I am just showing you that you can change any program. Don't follow only the whatever I taught you. You can change any addresses. Okay, previously I, for the data loading, I use the address of 8000 to 8003. Now I change it. When you write down this one, then after the SHLD22, you should write down here instead of 80, that is 90. That is now 90. That is now 80 instead of 90. That is now 80. Only this change. Okay. The program will be start from 8014. No problem. The result will be 8000 and 8001. No problem. But see very carefully. But the data should be uploaded from 8000 instead of 8000, it will be 9000. It will be 9000 because you change the addresses of the data uploading. This is 9000. So it means we can change any program. Before the simulator, I change you one time the program addresses. That from 9000 to 9003, first of all we should upload the value. Now take a snapshot of this again, and then we will show the simulator. I stop this presentation now. Yes, and I am going on 8085 simulator. Now see very carefully. Okay, now see very carefully. Now within 10 minutes we will complete programming with the OC. First of all, click on reset, then new memory location. Now where is the memory location? First I have to upload the values of data. So where is 9000 is the memory location where I want to upload the data. That is, the data will be 2801. Okay, now see the is that MS Paint file. So first we upload at 01. So now this will be 01. So 0 and then 1. Okay, the next is 9001, and that will be 28. That will be 28. The next data is 28. So 2 8 28. Then the next at 9002 memory location, my data will be 78. 7 and then 8. Okay, and at 9003 my data will be 09. So 0 is this one, 9 is this one. Okay, now one more time click on next. Okay, now again go to reset, new memory. Now I have to start the program. So at which step I start the program? I start the program from 8015. Okay, so 8015, just press 8 0. Kindly remember this starting memory location always. 8015. Now what is that 8015? See that code. LHLD hex code, that is 2A. That is 2E. So 2A. The next, what you have to write down? You have to write down the starting memory location, that is 00 and 90. 00 and then 90. Okay, so 00 and then 90. Then next, what you have to load? The hex code for exchange, that is EB. That is EB. Where is E? E is this one. And where is the B? B is this one. Then next, what you have to load? You have to load the hex code for again LHLD, that is 2A. 2E. Okay, then next. Now you have to upload the next value, that is 9002. Instead of 8002, that is 9002. I am sorry, in last where you took the snapshot, I did not correct it from 80 to 90, 80 to 90. Once again after the completion I will recorrect it. Okay, so it is after this instruction 2A, you have to load 02 then 90. 02, so 02 then 90, because we start from 9002. Okay, then after this DAD D, hex code for DAD D is what? The hex code for DAD D is 19. Hex code for DAD D is 90. Then next, after this DAD D, I have to upload the hex code for the SHLD, and the hex code for the SHLD is 22. Hex code for the SHLD is 22. Then what is the address where you want to see the result? What is the address where you want to see the result? You want to see the results at 8000 memory locations. So first 00, then 80. First 00, then 80. So 00 is already there, then 80. So 80. Okay. Then next, your program is completed. Yes, program is completed. So write down 76 here. So 76. One more time next. Okay. Now we once again cross check. So reset, and where I did a mistake, I will show you. First of all, first see that MS Paint file where I have to correct one thing. Now see the program. See the program. We make the changes. We load the data from 9000. We see the result from 8000 to 8001. But at the right hand side, during the time of programming, this is change, but I cannot mention the change here. So kindly read it. This is not 80, this is now 90. Because I start from 9000 memory location. And this is not 80 again, this is also 90. Only these two times you see it. This is and this is. These are two mistakes which I did. Okay, I save this one. Now I hope you understand. So once again I will show you the same MS Paint file. This is a simulator. First of all, see this simulator. Yes. So once again we check whether we upload correctly or not. So once again go to reset, then next memory location, you can check the results. So 9000 to 9003 I upload the value. So I now check the value. First 01, then 28, then 78, then 09, then one more time next. Okay, then reset, new memory. Now we upload the program from the starting memory location is 8015. So 8015. Now LHLD code, that is 2A, very good. Then 00, then 90, yes. Then again exchange, then LHLD2A, then 9002, so 02 and 90, very good. Then DAD D 8000, so 00 and then 80, then 76 and then 8. Okay, after this loading of the program, once again go to reset, then go. This one is the go button, so go. Write down the starting memory location of the program, not the data. You store the data from 9000 to 9003 first, but instead of that you should type here the program starting. So you start the program from 8015. So write down 8015, then execute. Now see the result. Where is my result? I know my result will be at 8000 and 8001. What will be my result? As I mentioned, 8000 should be 31 if the program is correct, and 8001 should be 79 if the program is correct. So to check the result, click on reset, then again new memory, where you have to check 8000 from 8000. So when I click on next, automatically it will show you 79 and then it will show you 31. Okay, that is correct. Yes, first the LSB will be so. So yes, this is correct. That first, remember one more smaller mistake, that first it show the LSB, so I wrote there MSB. So first of all, let it be clear. The 8th